Hi friends, my name is Narasimha and I'm studying BTech first year of Data Science Group in IRE College. Today, as a part of my AAT concept videos, in the subject of programming for problem solving using C, I want to explain a new topic for you. The topic name is loop control structures in C language. We all are aware of these loop control structures, but I want to explain it in a neat and simple way. Coming to the main use of loops, means for any purpose of the loops, means for any syntax or a loops, there is a purpose of using it in the code. Sometimes if we want some part of our code to be executed more than once, means repeatedly, if we want it to be executed, we can either repeat the code in our program or use loops instead of that. If we want to do so, we need to execute some part of the code for 100 times. It is not practical to repeat the code. Alternately, we can use our repeating code inside a loop, which means that this para is explaining the main purpose of the loops used by us in the source code, which means that for repeating a particular part of a code for many times, we have to rewrite the code or repeat the code in the program. Then that risky job, the usage of loop will reduce the risk and reduce the kilos of code and use the solution for the code easily and in quick way. Coming to the loops and structures in C. There are three loops used in C language. First one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. And coming to the while loop. While loop is constructed of a condition, expression, or an expression and a single command or a block of commands that must run in a loop, which means that this while loop is used to run a part of a code repeatedly until the condition is not satisfied. Syntax for while loop. For a single statement, while in the parenthesis in the expression, required expression, and the statement or the code to be executed. For multiple statements, while in the parenthesis the expression and it down a block of statements. Next, statements within the while loop would keep on getting executed till the condition being tested remains true. When the condition becomes false, the control passes to the first statement that follows the body of the while loop. Here, I want to explain the main condition to use the while loop. The while loop will run as many times the condition is becomes true. If once the condition becomes false, the interpreter or the compiler come out of the loop and executes the next statement. Next, the general form of a while loop is shown below. Initialize, loop counter, and while test loop counter using the condition and do and increment, do and then increment loop counter. This is the normal way of while loop testing. Example. First of all, the usage of this code means this example is to get an output of an example as I shown here. To get such type of output, now we are writing a code in C language. As studio.h int main, and we are declaring a local variable int a is equals to 0, and we are using the while loop while a is less than 20. We are passing an expression that is a is less than 20. Printf value of a and a plus plus return 0. Here in this code, I am executing, means I am passing an expression that is a is less than 20 and I want to print that value. And at last I have given an increment counter. As many, the while loop runs by the compiler as many times the expression is true, which gives the output as in this way. Here the value of a is printed from 10 to 19. After 19, as the compiler sees the expression is less than 20, after 19, the value of a will be incremented to 20. And it will test the expression a is less than 20 or not. It is false. So the compiler comes out of the loop and executes the next statement and returns 0. This is about the while loop. Next, for loop. For loop is something similar to while loop, but it is more complex. For loop is constructed from a control statement that determines how many times the loop will run and a command section. Command section is either a single command or a block of commands. Same as while loop, we are also using for loop to repeat a particular part of a code in a particular part of a code in a program. Here for loop is constructed for a control statement that determines how many times the loop will run and command section. Syntax of for loop. For single statement, for control statement in the parenthesis and the statement or the code to be executed. Next, for multiple statements. For in the control statement in the parenthesis and a block of statements or code to be executed. For loop contains three parts in its asset parameters. One is initialization, one is test condition, and other one is run every time command. Now, let us see an example. Hash include studio.h, int main, and in the code to be executed, we have given int a. We have declared a as an integer variable, and next we are using for loop. For a is equals to 10, a is less than 20, and a is equals to a plus 1. As I mentioned before, there are three parts. Initialization means a is equals to 10. We have declared a value to a, it is known as initialization. Next, test condition. A is less than 20. Means the condition to be tested for running of a loop. Next, run every time command. A is equals to a plus 1 means we are incrementing the value for each run of the loop. Next, printf value of a, return 0. We will get an output as I shown here. Output of example program is value of a is equal to 10, value of a is equal to 11, 12, 13, and so on up to 19. Such type of output had given by the compiler because here we had declared a as an integer variable, and in the for loop, as we given the a is equal to 10, the loop will run from the a is equal to 10 value, and it will run by incrementing the value of a by 1 for every round of the loop, and up to which it runs means up to the test condition is satisfied. Once the test condition is not satisfied, it will jump to the other line. Now, I'm saying about the, now I'm saying that this output will be given. Next, coming to do while loop. Friends, I want to mention a point that the while loop and the for loop are entry control statements. And do while loop is an exit control statement. The while loop and for loops test the termination condition at the top. By contrast, the third loop in C, the do while, tests at the bottom after making each pass through the loop body. The body is always executed at least once. The syntax of the do while loop is do and the code to be executed. And next, the while expression. The specialty of the do while loop is in the while loop and the for loop, the termination of the condition is got at the top. If the condition is satisfied by the termination condition, then only the compiler will accept the value and give it and display. But in do while loop, first of all, the compiler will send the value to the code to be executed, and at last it will check for the termination condition. The difference between while loop and do while loop is this. The statement is executed, then expression is evaluated. If it is true, statement is evaluated again, and so on. When the expression becomes false, the loop terminates. Experience shows that do while is much less used than while and for. A do while loop is used to ensure that the statements within the loop are executed at least once. Means compared to while loop, for loop, and do while loop is least used because writing do while loop, we have to write the syntax as do and the code to be executed, and at last we have to write the termination condition. it is somewhat risky for the compiler to compile the program and to get the output. And an example of the do while loop. Hash include studio.h int main, and we are declaring an variable, local variable definition, that is int a is equals to 10, and the syntax we are using this do while loop. Do printf value of a is equals to a plus 1, while a is less than 20. Here we can see, friends, the termination condition we gave at the last, and we get output in such a way. Output of example program is value of a is equals to 10, a is equals to 11, value of a is equals to 12, value of a is equals to 13, and so on up to 19. Same pattern, but here we can see that the compiler is now allowing the value to go on, and at last it is testing with the termination condition. This is the example, and thank you, friends. I hope my information shared with you is useful, and thanks for watching.